Howdy, how you guys doing? So, hey, I'm Coach Megan. Today, I'm gonna show you a few things I do with my students to help you improve your handstand and your cartwheel. These things have helped the kids I teach, so maybe it'll help you too. Woohoo! Drill number 1. Gonna get down on your hands, step 1 foot about this far away from your hands, not too far, not too close. You're gonna lift your back leg, keeping the hips and shoulders straight. Do not let the back leg drop. Pull your chest up, arms to your ears, hold your lunge. 1, 2, 3. And for all of these things, whenever I do a lunge, so I don't have to say it again, always hips straight, shoulders straight, front foot turned out slightly, or straight ahead's okay, but never ever in, okay? Slightly out is probably the best. And your back foot is directly behind your front foot, not turned in. Bending, putting the weight on this front leg. That's the biggest problem I see with the kids. They don't understand how to keep this weight. Pretend like your leg is being pulled into the ground to dig for the gold. I don't know. Okay, so do that on both legs. I'll show you one more time on my other leg facing you. So get down first, you don't get hurt. Strong arms, straight arms on all this. Push your shoulders, look at your fingers. Keep this leg bent. Back leg up. Do not let your back leg drop. Hips straight, shoulders straight. Arms up to lunge. Great job. Okay, moving on to the next drill. Now you're just gonna do a lever. Play the piano. Find the inner piano player inside your soul. Strong arms. Big step. Lunge. Slowly reach forward. Notice my arms are by my ears. They do not ever drop. You're gonna slowly lower forward. Keep the back leg going up as you go down. This leg is still bent. Push your shoulders out. You should be able to go like that. I don't want you to fall onto your hands. And see if you can come up with your arms up. Notice my back leg did not touch the ground yet. It's still up. Then it goes down at the end. 1, 2, 3. But you have to do that on both legs. Both legs, very important. The reason I'm making you do, I'll talk while I do. The reason I'm making you do these on both legs is because you land a cartwheel on your opposite leg. So we need to be able to do both legs because a lot of kids, they can't stand up on their other leg. So how do you think I'm gonna stand up out of a cartwheel on my opposite leg if I can't do it from a lever? That's just impossible to imagine. And do 2 of these levers in a row if you can. Look, I'm a human seesaw. Someone's on my hand, someone's on my foot. Okay, moving on, next drill. Mini handstand, teeter-totter, whatever you want to call it. We're keeping the legs open, we're going real small, focusing on form. Arms up, do not drop your arms from yours. Big step out, lunge. Reach your hands away from your foot, look for your fingers, push your hands. Hands are gonna go flat this time. Little hop, and stand up on each leg. Now when you stand up, you have to make sure that your foot is not landing all the way out there. Do you like my socks? They match my shirt. Because if your foot's all the way out there, you're gonna fall on your face. I see this all the time. You have got to look for the ground and get your foot down closer to your hands without letting this foot go down. Keep this leg up. Arms up. See my arms up? Because a lot of kids will be like, they'll do this and they'll be like, oh. It's like the airplane karate. Oh, and for those, work on tightening your legs and pointing your toes. I want to see good form. Even though it's small, go like really, really small. Looking at your hands, you're squeezing. I don't want to see like, oh, and the most important thing, your back leg cannot go to the side. I see this all the time. They go like this. Oh, you see that? You have to get your back foot straight up over your head. Your knee is gonna face down, okay? And your heel will be up. Next thing, mini handstand, but a little bigger than mini. In between regular and small. I don't know what that is. Okay, medium. So, push your shoulders, big step out, same thing, lever, always show this position, this human seesaw. The top goes down, the back goes up. Imagine an imaginary wall right here. Your back foot now is gonna kick to that wall. You're not gonna bring the other leg to it. You're gonna keep the other foot down, step that foot close to those hands again and stand up how we've been standing. Watch. Push your shoulders, big step out. Reach your hands away from your foot. Back leg touches the wall, the other leg does not go up. Arms up and lunge. And you only have to do that one on your good leg. Remember to always look at your hands, never duck your head. And don't ever bend your arms, you're gonna fall on your face like this, or your head. Okay, next thing, you're gonna go to a door or a wall. Now this one can be really, really dangerous, so you must follow the directions. Okay, get something soft like this. This is my favorite new mat, isn't it nice? Ooh. Okay, and put it underneath you, something that you don't squish into too much, but I want your head to be protected, and then you can even put something on the wall if you have something like that. For this one, you don't want your hands too close to the wall. I'd say right about, is that a foot? Like that far. Strong arms. Remember this one where you made, it's like a smiley face. Your hands are the eyeballs, your foot is the nose. Same thing as before, like that, but you're gonna lift up your back leg. Do not let this back leg touch the ground. Hold it up and you're just gonna hop without letting this flop. And you're gonna get higher and higher every time or every day until you can eventually touch that back foot and then lunge. Now what you don't want to do is duck your head. You have to look at those hands. I've seen kids go on their head. That's why this one you really just gotta look at the hands and go slowly. And really important, number 2, do not bring your legs together yet. This foot's staying down because everyone wants to always go like this. You just are pushing. The bottom one's barely going up. It's the back one that I want to go, and then arms up, lunge. And then when you can complete that, you're gonna try and go all the way up to the wall, but only if you have that drill. So always your big step, of course. I have this here for my safety. Reach, look for my hands. Oh, and never have your ribs out. Get your ribs in. Back leg to the wall first, then the other leg goes. And nice lunge on the way out. Okay, next thing, just regular old-fashioned walk your feet up the wall. Do it like 3 times for 20 seconds, pushing your shoulders, because then you're gonna get these shoulders, you know, pumped up and ready for your cartwheeling and handstanding. So even if you go this far, that's fine. Just be tight, not like that. You gotta squeeze that body, ribs in, and then if you can, work your way eventually to all the way and just hold it. Squeeze everything, don't sink like this. And then finally, you can attempt the back leg up, touching the other foot, then stepping down. You can have someone stand here and stop your legs if you want to. Imagine that imaginary wall. So big reach, step your foot away from you. Reach your hands out, back leg hits the imaginary wall, tap, and put it down not too far, arms up, chest up, then the back leg drops. Great job. And then once you have those skills mastered, you're gonna see your handstands and cartwheels improve. Here's one more thing you could do for the cartwheel. If you're having trouble, get down on the ground, turn your hands. Of course, normally we turn the second one a little more than the first. But if you're just starting out, turn your hands. But if you're a righty, my hair, you're gonna step your right foot about that far away from your hands, like that. Normally we're gonna have our hands right in front of our foot, but when you're first starting out, you can try like this. Get that back leg up, see it's up? Push off this leg, do one hop, and then swing this back leg right behind your hands, like that. Bending the knee when you land, holding this back leg up, don't let it drop, then pull your chest up. Just don't bend your arms and look at your hands, and you can do that over and over and over, remembering to land on the back foot. So turn the hands, back leg is up, do not let it drop. Try one hop first so you get the hang of it. Push off this leg, one, then swing it over. Get that back leg, it's gonna land first, and the second leg needs to get back here. And it's gonna land behind you. And for all the little mini levers, you can always get like a little mat so you're up on a ledge, put your hands up on the mat. It'll be easier for you. But that's all in the detailed handstand video. So I wish you luck. Oh, and do your strength. Any kind of push-ups, chin-ups, leg lifts, sit-ups. The more strength, the better. The stronger I get, the better my tricks get. You can do it, and you'll feel great too. Hey, it's good for you. All right, thanks for watching, everyone. You can download my app, because then it's easier to find all my videos, because there's a lot. There's like 600. And also subscribe if you would like. And thank you, and I wish you luck on all these cartwheels and handstands. Here's the end of the video trick. I have to do my press handstands today anyway. I try and do it every other day to keep my strength. Like I said, if you don't do that strength, stuff just isn't gonna get better. So, oh, that's fun. See you later. Have a great day.